Good morning folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade. Welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis segment. Two major stories are very much dominating the market or the price action today. And this is what is really driving the European markets higher. The DAX index is up over 1%. As you can see in the chart, the upward momentum is still strong. And it is likely for the DAX index to continue its moves to the upside. And the story is very much similar for the CAC, for the IBEX index, and of course for the FTSE 100 index as well. So what are the two major dominant factors which are really driving the markets higher, or especially the European markets for now? Firstly, remember the PBOC came out yesterday, last night, and it said, it confirmed its unwavering support for the market. It confirmed that yes, we are facing unprecedented economic slowdown in the economic growth, but the bank is ready to use its powerful tools, or economic measures in order to support the economy. So this has once again strengthened those arguments that okay, the central bank game is still very much on, and there is still enormous amount of hope from central banks to continue to prop up this equity market higher. Yes, obviously there's a huge disconnect when we look at the macro, especially the macroeconomic data, and what is happening in the equity space. Why I am saying that? Because if we look at the US equity markets, especially if we focus on the Nasdaq index, it has recovered all of its losses. As you can see in the chart, Nasdaq index is again, it is showing that it is one of the strongest index among the other two indices such as the S&P and the Dow Jones, and it is maintaining its upward momentum to the in terms of its price action. So the second major story for traders or for investors is that okay, we had eye-watering number last Friday where the US non-farm payroll, right? There was no doubt about that because the US unemployment sits at 14.7%, and a lot of Fed officials and the Trump administration, they do believe that these numbers are likely to continue their journey to the upside. How much? The unemployment rate can go above 20%. But again, I think for the market participants, what they believe is that yes, worst is behind us and the market is going to continue from here. Yes, we may see some sort of a more uptick in the unemployment number, but the recovery is going to be very much V-shaped. That is what the market is really expecting, and hence we've seen this massive momentum in the US equity market, which is also feeding into other markets as well. Because remember, the Japanese index has also recovered half of its losses since it made the lowest since it's the COVID-19 low, and that is the major focus among investors. That's all for today. Stay safe. And remember, you can protect your upward and downward positions by using AvaProtect. See you guys tomorrow.